Welcome back to Acer Showroom. Today, we are diving into one of the most aggressive and track-focused superbikes of the future, the 2026 Aprilia RS V4 XGP. Designed to dominate the racing circuit, this motorcycle takes Aprilia's racing DNA to a whole new level. Design and aerodynamics. The RS V4 XGP carries a razor-sharp, race-inspired design. Every curve and angle of this bike has been engineered with aerodynamics in mind. From the winglets inspired by MotoGP technology to the lightweight carbon fiber bodywork, Aprilia ensures maximum downforce and minimum drag. The aggressive stance is unmistakably that of a purebred track machine. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 RS V4 XGP is a re-engineered V4 engine, pushing power figures that exceed most superbikes in its category. With advanced electronics, a race-spec quickshifter, and enhanced traction control, the bike delivers jaw-dropping acceleration and precision handling. It's a machine built not just for speed, but for total control on the racetrack. Technology and electronics. Aprilia has equipped the RS V4 XGP with next-generation electronics, including cornering ABS, customizable riding modes, and advanced data logging systems. Riders can monitor lap times, analyze performance, and fine-tune settings directly for track optimization. This integration of technology with raw performance makes the RS V4 XGP a true racing weapon. Weight and materials. Lightweight construction is a key highlight. The extensive use of carbon fiber, titanium, and forged aluminum brings the bike's weight down significantly. The result is lightning-fast agility, razor-sharp cornering, and unmatched stability at high speeds. Exclusivity and racing heritage. The 2026 Aprilia RS V4 XGP isn't just another superbike, it's a limited production masterpiece. Inspired directly by Aprilia's MotoGP experience, this machine reflects the brand's uncompromising commitment to racing excellence. Owning one is like holding a piece of MotoGP heritage in your garage. The 2026 Aprilia RS V4 XGP stands as a symbol of performance, innovation, and exclusivity. Built for those who dare to experience racing in its purest form, it's not just a motorcycle, it's an adrenaline-fueled experience. This was today's detailed look at the 2026 Aprilia RS V4 XGP here on Acer Showroom. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest motorcycles and future icons of speed.